Mm. Hi, my name is Zanella Manyoni from CUT. My design project is automatic water dispenser. So here I have an automatic water dispenser, and automatically how it works, works like this. Whenever the distance of a cup is more than 5 centimeters, the water will not be pumped out or into the container or a cup. But whenever the cup is less than 5 centimeters, the water will be pumped into the cup, measured by ultrasonic sensor, and then the LCD will display the distance of the cup. All right, and then here I have a float switch. So the float switch measures the level of water, and whenever the water is minimum, the float switch will read 0, and then the buzzer will be triggered, and LCD will display refill. All right, and then we have ultrasonic sensor, which also measured the level of water, whether the water is sufficient or insufficient, as displayed in LCD. And then I have water pump, which control the water through the cup. Hi, my name is Zanella Manyoni, and this is my presentation of automatic water dispenser. So firstly, I have a problem statement. Water is a huge crisis in South Africa. Climate change, increasing human population are the main causes of water scarcity. That is why we need to save every drop of the water. And then I have components that I'm going to use for this project, which is a float switch, ultrasonic sensor, 3 to 6 volt water pump, LCD, buzzer, relay, and Arduino Uno. Here I have a detailed block diagram, which this one is my inputs and this one is my output connected to Arduino. And then I have a float switch which measures the level of water. So whenever the water is minimum, and the float switch will read 0, and then the buzzer will be triggered, controlled by the relay, and LCD will display refill. And then I have ultrasonic sensor, which measures the distance of the cup. So whenever the cup is less than 5 centimeters, then the water will pump out, controlled by the water pump. And then here I have my schematic. The one with the circles is the part that I added into the existing project. And then here I have a flow chart. It starts, and then we have a processor Arduino Uno, and then we have if statement. If the distance is less than 5, then, which is true, the water will be pumped out. So if the distance is not less than 5, which is false, the water will not be pumped out. And then this part I have a ultrasonic sensor, which measures the level of water. So whenever the water is minimum, the water level will be displayed into an LCD. And then also if the water is maximum, it also be displayed in an LCD. And on this side we have a flow switch, which is the level of water at the minimum level. So whenever the flow switch reads 0, the buzzer will be triggered and the LCD will display refill. So if the flow switch does not read 0, the buzzer will not be triggered and the display will not display anything. And then this part I have a PCB, as you can see. I Thank you.